Hi, I'm Gosia, Head of HR at Menlo Electric, the fastest growing PV distributor. Today, I'm in Cape Town, in South Africa, and I'm gonna tell you a bit more about our unique Menlo Global Experience Program. At Menlo Electric, we are giving our employees the chance to go and work for 1 month in our every locations: Holland, Germany, United Kingdom, South Africa, United Arab Emirates, Spain, Lithuania, Romania and Czech Republic. We are covering the costs of flight, accommodation and insurance. Moreover, there is a buddy on the place waiting for the newcomers, ready to help in the daily challenges. The main objective of the Menlo Global Experience Program is not only about the travel, it's also about the meaningful connections between our international team members. It's also about the amazing sun that we can catch here in South Africa, and it's also about amazing food and drinks.
I applied for a Menlo Global Experience to meet the team, to understand the market in South Africa and to see more than numbers, to see people and what is going on there. We have a few days trip on safari with our team to discover the most incredible animals here. For example, today we saw lions, giraffes, elephants, and many more. To be honest, it's hard even to remember because we have so much love and great time. I like the most, of course, perfect views on our safari trip. I really liked Cape Town and Johannesburg as cities to live and spend time in. I love the nature and, of course, the great people there. The best places to visit, of course, boulders between penguins and botanical gardens in Johannesburg. I totally recommend this experience. It's a great opportunity to meet a team that you can work on daily basis with, not only on Teams meetings or writing with them, but like in real life, to have a lunch, to go on a trip, to go on a safari with them. It's amazing.
If I could recommend experience, definitely. Menlo is not covering all the costs from the flights and accommodation and taking care about you locally with a buddy. It's also a possibility to meet new cultures, broaden your boundaries, and I mean literally I was working from that beautiful space for over a whole month. So I can definitely recommend that if you want to work from something like that.
If you want to experience this yourself, just join us.